have any yet. Anyways, NXTD, this one is really looking good. We made an attempt about 1, 2, and 3 times. That's the attempt we've made so far, and basing around this area 3 times. So right now $3 is your best bet. We break $3, I think we can continue to push. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, guys, you're welcome. Well, what I will be doing today is going to be simple. I will be talking about the small price, low float stocks today and what I'm expecting them to do in the coming days, weeks, months, right? But most of them are really sold off, and I'm expecting what I call the BB play, which means the bottom bounce play. That is what I'll be expecting on these names. And you know, if I cannot post them up here, or if I cannot analyze them here, I'm gonna post them up on my Twitter and on my stock tweet as well, right? So we're gonna talk about the market, and then we're gonna dive deep into the different stocks that I will be watching, okay, based on signals. Now, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity or whatsoever, guys. It is just for entertainment purposes only. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the deal for today. SPY, okay, I did talk about SPY in my previous video, so go watch more on that as well. Now I'm looking for price to really hold this 200 moving average on the market, SPY Spider S&P 500 ETF. So I'm expecting this area, this 443 area, 444 area to hold as a support. Okay, if price did pull back to 440, that's fine, but right now I'll be looking for this area to hold, and then we continue to bounce into this downtrend right here. So this downtrend is where you really want to watch and see if price can really hold that level. Now for the common goods of QQQ, we're looking at QQQ at this point in time, and I'm expecting QQQ to run up into the 200 moving average again and reclaim. We did breakthrough, got into this resistance, pull back, right? So now I'm looking for another attempt of the 200 moving average. Relatively with IWM right now is been really consolidating around this area for now. So $200 reclaim, I think we can push through the 20 exponential moving average. Now let's go to the first stock. First stock is gonna be BFRI. BFRI is doing good right now. Let's take a look at it on Thinkorswim as well and see what's going on. So now you see how price really did attempt these highs again. You see how the volume came in. That was a very huge amount of volume that came in right here, right? And the last time we got a huge volume, sell volume, look at what happened, guys. We just squeezed right off the back, right? We got volume came in, and then we squeezed. Now we're getting buy volume, okay, on this candle right here. But guess what? We pulled back just to shake weak hands, and now we're kind of attempting to breach this gap right now, $4.45, $4.50. That is the area to watch. So once we break this area, I think we should be all right to really push to the upside on BFRI. Hourly chart, let's look at the hourly as well and see what's going on. The same thing with that. See, we've just been trending around this 200 moving average on the hourly, and then we just on Friday we decided to push through, right? So keep an eye on this one. I think we can still continue to push on BFRI. Now let's take a look at OEG as well. OEG right now 150 is going to act as a support. If this 150 doesn't hold, guys, I think we can push towards $1. Okay, so but for now I'm expecting $1.50 to hold. Then we can progressively push towards $1.75, which is our next resistance. MIGI, 525, $5 is gonna be your support, guys. This area is also a good area to start picking up. Not a recommendation, but this $5 area is a good area in anticipation of the push towards $6.50. Okay. PRVB as well did a bottom bounce play. That is what I really like about bottom bounce play. When they come in really strong, right? So from $3.50 area all the way to $6. That is, you know, a decent amount of profit. Right now we're consolidating around the 50 exponential moving average in anticipation of the break. So I'm anticipating a break here at least into 625 or 650 in the coming days on that. Same thing likewise with BFRO as we see. GNTX right now $2.20 was the close. So now my expectation is for this to push towards $2.50 in the coming days. PT as well. See how price really did push, okay, into $1.40 only to pull back, sell off into 50 cents. Okay, now we can really take a look at it on Thinkorswim as well. Right, so right here, let's see, pull this up. Okay, well, right now this pullback was really due to the Fed's policy pretty much, but you know, nothing really drives this home than a policy. So this small one was just a policy that, you know, Fed's trying to increase rate, or they're planning on increasing rate, and this just dropped right off. So right now I think we're really trying to consolidate around this area to push higher, so keep an eye out on that as well. BSFC, this one right now $2.25. I think we can push through the $2.70, $2.65, which is our 50 exponential moving average. I do like this one, and I'm expecting some add to that name. Arrow ELI is another one. Right now we are filling $5 spot. Okay, this could also be another attempt to shake the weekend, to shake the long hands. Okay, and right now $4. Okay, I have two spots. The first one right now is going to be the $5 reclaim. If we reclaim, we can continue to push higher, right? And then I'll fill this 450 to $4. So $4 will act as a support. Okay, in the coming days, if that doesn't work, then we'll be looking for 200 moving average, which is $3.50 area. So that one is also a good one. KSCP, right now we need to reclaim $10. $10 is going to act as a resistance, guys, but if we reclaim that, I think I'll be expecting a push or run through into $15 as well. EJH, this is what you were expecting on this one. I'm expecting a bottom bounce play on this one. I'm expecting 75 cents area to really hold in anticipation of the 95 cents visit. So this EJH, I think that would be a good one to watch for the bottom bounce play. You need a signal on that. I don't have any yet. Anyways, NXTD, this one is really looking good. We made an attempt about 1, 2, and 3 times. That's the attempt we've made so far, and basing around this area 3 times. So right now $3 is your best bet. We break $3, I think we can continue to push on NXTD. So that is another good one. NNDM as well, $4. I'm looking for $4 if 375 can break. DATS, guys, $2.25, guys, is your area. Okay, $2.40, looking at that trend right now. So if price can push towards 250, I think we should be all right. Looking at the chart on Thinkorswim, you see how price really is just trending lower. So the best thing to do in this case is draw your trend, right? Get your trend in and making sure that If price pull lower into this area, that is a support. That is another area to pick up some. On the long side, this is what you're going to be looking at. See if price can push through this side. Okay, so we've been really trending lower, but I'll be looking for some form of a bounce at least into $2.50 or $3 in the coming days on that name. OLB as well. This one right now, $2 is that area. Okay, this is also one of my favorite because once momentum comes into OLB, I think we can continue to push. So add this to that list of stocks to keep an eye on, like really close eyes on. ARODS as well. I also still like this because we're really maintaining that level, and this is technically our inverse head and shoulder. Right now, this area of resistance, we are breaching that area right now. So with your support around $2.16, I think we can push right through $3 in the coming days. So keep an eye out on ARODS as volume begins to come into the play, into the mix as well. AMPY, this one right now, you know what it is. You know this is a go, right? So $4 is the break. So we broke $4 Friday and attempted to break through $4.25, $4.30. So right now, I think the best thing to do right now is to pick up some. That is what I'm gonna do. It's not a recommendation for you, but with my stop loss right below the 200 moving average, that is what I will do in this case. CROEX as well. Right now, we are trying to push back into the $1.60, right? Because right now we tried to push through the 200 moving average, but we couldn't, got rejected back down, and only to push back up and wants to retry that zone. So keep an eye out on CROEX. I think some stuff will come in. AMMX as well, $4.50 is your area. If price can break through this area, I think we can push into $5 or even $6, okay, in a momentum push. CRDF, this is what I call the bottom bounce play, guys. So look for price to really break $3.50. So like I said, you know, this is what I call bottom bounce play. So I'll be looking for this to really bottom out of this double bottom zone. So keep an eye out on that. AEHR as well, 200 moving average is holding right now. I expect this area to hold. If it doesn't, look for another attempt of $10, and $10 is going to solidly hold as a support. IINN as well, $3.50. Guys, this chart are really looking good in terms of momentum coming into the name. As soon as we begin to see some form of a positiveness, some form of a positive nature in the market, I think gaining that direction is the most important thing. We can break through obstacles, we can break through barriers. Okay, I know so many of you had a portfolio degradation. So anyways, you're gonna come back alive, you're gonna come in alive. Just don't make a quick decision in buying any single stock. So hedge your portfolio, you know, buy as time, you know, just begin to stage the trade as time goes on. Don't just jump in just because some guru on Twitter or on Stock Tweet or on YouTube wants you to buy a stock. You need to assess it on your own as well. Another name that I will be watching is APROE. This is holding the $2 zone, right? So now I'll be expecting a bottom bounce play on that name. ALBZ, this one as well, bottom bounce play. We're doing good right now, guys. The past three trading days, I think we got solid buy candle, and with that volume that came in, so I'll be looking for a run through the 20 exponential moving average. This STRON is a beaten down stock. Okay, we've been coming from $7 zone back down to below $2. See if $2 can reclaim. I think we can continue to push. EXP arrow is another one. Right now EXP arrow is a good deal, okay, to watch. Okay, right now, see how my buy signal really came right in. This one right now, this is my second signal to buy. See how this buy signal came in. Okay, the last time we got the buy signal, see how price really did push, right? And sell signal came in late, but you know me, guys, you really know me. What I do is I sell as the stock begin to push. Looking at this, I know fully well that this area is going to act as a resistance, right? So buying around this trend, push up into resistance, you want to be selling some of your position off the table. You want to be taking money off the table. And then this trend broke, I sold off my position, and the following 3 days or so we got that signal, right? Signal came in. So one thing you have to understand, signal always lag, okay? But you need to really look at the chart. You just need a plain chart to see how things are going as well. Next is gonna be MBOT. MBOT is a good one to watch. Right now, I think we are holding the $5.50 as a support. Okay, that is the area. Look at that area. So we're holding this area as a support in anticipation of a push. So I'm expecting this trend to break in the coming days, so we can bank that 10 days, right? RKDA as well. Right now I am looking for a dollar on this name. If we can reclaim $1, I think we can continue to push back into the $2 zone. So keep an eye out on that RKDA. KERN as well, $1.50 break. I think we can push into $2. I think the weed should be seeing some goodness in the coming days, weeks, or months to come. So for PIK, we failed the $4.70, $4.60 area, only to settle around $4.25. So look for $4 as a support on this name. ENVB as well, look for bottom bounce play. That is what I'm expecting on that name. UONE, look for more, guys. $6 break, I think we can get to $7 or even $8. That is when the buying will come in anticipation of a 200 moving average visit. That's where you want to keep an eye. MRAM as well, looking for price to really break through the $10. That is the area we really need to keep an eye out on as well. APRN, this one is doing good, consolidating nicely. I think a push is coming on that name. VLON, guys, we're looking for $5.25 break, and then we can push more. Bottom bounce play on AHI. That is the bottom bounce play. I'm expecting that on this particular name. I think we'll be able to get that as well. Finally, not really finally, because I'm going to post them up on my stock tweet and Twitter account. We have ISIG, guys. Okay, looking for $15.25. You get $15.25. I think we can continue to push higher, even above this 20 exponential moving average. For now, $12.50 is going to act as a support. So now you have a very high risk in terms of looking at 2 points or $2.50 in order for this stock to really push through. So keep an eye out on ISIG for a momentum push. Others, guys, I'm going to post them up on my stock trade account, and just keep an eye out whenever you're doing your your good diligence on the name. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your time. You guys are wonderful. Keep listening, keep tuning in. If you have any questions, concern, email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Have a fantastic weekend. Have a fantastic day. Be positive to everyone out there. Peace and love, guys. Bye bye.